So we're working on Helen's nursery finally. She's almost 1 month old. It's time to get serious about this. I've got vintage botanicals that I've been collecting for a few years, and we had them framed with plexiglass so they're not breakable, and then on the back a special sliding lock so when it's mounted on the wall she can't knock it off from her crib. Oh my god! Dad! So beautiful! It's the most beautiful thing you ever made.
Our house is a CRAFTSMAN-STYLE home, and so I wanted it to be something that would match that style. That's why I went with the quarter stone white oak. That's why I went with the rail and style around the bottom and the back. It's gonna be a classic piece. What do you think, Helen?
I think she must like it.
She likes it.
Look. Look.
Helen's room is fancy.
Yeah.